Washington. And looking over downtown Detroit, Comerica Park specifically, we got the sunshine out there and it feels great. It'll feel even better if we can get some winds over the next couple of days, more specifically tomorrow as well as Thursday. We'll have temperatures cooperating. The conditions are going to be good, but let's talk about what's not so good. That's the hurricane, Hurricane Milton. It'll make weather headlines for the entire week. Even after it's long gone, of course, it'll shift to the recovery. Category 4 storm, winds at 150 miles an hour, the gusts up to 185. If you can just imagine those sustained winds for a moment. A very powerful storm. Moving to the northeast at about 9 miles an hour. This is going to cause an issue, and I'm expecting it actually to gain some additional strength. Notice how in the last frame from the satellite image, the eye starts to reappear. Right now, it's interacting with the Yucatan Peninsula. It's kind of these hurricanes like the perfect environment, calm conditions, warm waters, low shear, and right now it's being impacted. But once it gets away from the Yucatan, back over the water, it could re-intensify. Regardless, it's going to be a major hurricane and a major problem for our friends in Florida. So the Category 4 storm, 145 mile per hour winds. This will be for Wednesday morning. And at some point between Wednesday night going into Thursday early morning, that's when it's projected to make landfall as a major hurricane. Possibly a Category 3 or stronger when that takes place, and therefore the storm surge, just based off the track, the latest track from the National Hurricane Center, will put the worst of the storm surge into the St. Pete, Tampa Bay area, and even near Sarasota. And this extends all the way as far south as Fort Myers, which I was showing earlier. So this is not just for the Tampa Bay area. This is a large storm that's going to impact much of the West Coast. And let's talk about the rain. This too is going to be a problem, and you'll see the rain really just start to tally up here. Notice that it could be about a major hurricane at a Category 3. Once that makes landfall, the rain continues to pile on. You see those purple colors that's showing rain in excess of a foot or so. That alone can cause some issues with the flash flooding and also the storm surge aside. Downtown Detroit's at 64. Our weather is calm and it's expected to stay that way for quite some time. The temperature trend over the next 12 hours here will have us climbing up to about 67 for the high temp out there across Metro Detroit. And then we cool down. We're expecting overnight lows to really dip down. In fact, over the next 2 mornings, we're going to be in the 40s in the city and even 41 in the city of Detroit, which means outside of the city, it'll be even cooler, but beautiful weather for the Tigers game both Wednesday and Thursday with temperatures in the 60s. We warm to 76 by Friday, and then some much needed rain closes in for the weekend, especially on Sunday where temps crash.